A legacy of financial excellence. Goldman Sachs. The name alone evokes images of Wall Street power, financial innovation, and unmatched opportunity. For over 150 years, Goldman Sachs has been a dominant force in global finance. It stands as a beacon of success, attracting the brightest minds and shaping the world economy. A century of shaping global finance. Founded in 1869 by Marcus Goldman, the firm began modestly, trading commercial paper in New York City. Through the decades, Goldman Sachs grew exponentially. It spearheaded groundbreaking financial instruments and strategies. The company played pivotal roles in major global transactions. From underwriting the Ford Motor Company's IPO to advising on mergers and acquisitions worth billions, Goldman Sachs has consistently been at the forefront of financial history. Today, Goldman Sachs ranks among the world's leading investment banks. It boasts a global reach and an unparalleled reputation for excellence. Its influence extends across continents, industries, and financial markets. The Goldman Sachs Summer Analyst Program, your gateway to Wall Street. For aspiring finance professionals, the Goldman Sachs name holds a particular allure. A summer internship at Goldman Sachs is a coveted opportunity, offering a chance to learn from the very best in the industry. This is where the Goldman Sachs Summer Analyst Program comes in. This highly selective program provides a unique platform for top students to gain invaluable experience in the world of finance. The program immerses you in the heart of Wall Street. You'll work alongside seasoned professionals, contributing to real-world projects that impact global markets. This is not your typical internship. It's a chance to make a tangible difference from day one. Unparalleled experiences, unmatched opportunities. The benefits of the Goldman Sachs Summer Analyst Program extend far beyond the impressive resume line. You'll gain real-world finance experience, gain hands-on experience in areas like investment banking, global markets, asset management, and more. Skill development. Hone your analytical, communication, and problem-solving skills through challenging assignments and mentorship from industry leaders. Networking opportunities. Build your network by connecting with senior executives, alumni, and fellow summer analysts. Competitive edge. Differentiate yourself in the competitive job market with the prestigious Goldman Sachs name on your resume. Career exploration. Explore different areas of finance and gain clarity on your career aspirations. Shaping your future in finance. The program typically runs for 10 weeks during the summer. You'll be fully immersed in the Goldman Sachs culture. You'll attend networking events, speaker series, and social gatherings. These events offer insights into the firm's values and provide opportunities to connect with senior leaders. To be eligible for this prestigious program, you should be currently pursuing a graduate degree, like an MBA or master's, with a strong academic record, demonstrating a keen interest in finance and a solid understanding of financial markets, possessing excellent analytical, communication, and teamwork skills. Take the first step towards your Goldman Sachs journey. Applications for the Goldman Sachs Summer Analyst Program, 2025 open later in the year. Keep an eye on the Goldman Sachs Careers website for specific dates and instructions. Prepare your resume, perfect your cover letter, and be ready to showcase your passion for finance. The Goldman Sachs Summer Analyst Program is more than just an internship. It's a launchpad for your career in finance. It's a chance to learn from the best, build your network, and gain a competitive edge in the global marketplace. Apply for the program by clicking the link provided in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more content.